you ever looked around your home and thought, where did all this stuff come from? Or spent hours cleaning, only for it to still feel cluttered? I've been there. But before you grab a trash bag and start tossing things, let me share what I wish I knew before decluttering my home. Trust me, these tips will save you time, energy, and regret. 1. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. When I first started decluttering, I thought my home had to look like a Pinterest board, perfectly organized and minimalistic. But here's the truth, decluttering is about making your space work for you, not chasing some unrealistic ideal. Focus on small wins and celebrate progress, not perfection. 2. The emotional attachment is real. I didn't realize how emotionally tied I was to so many items. That sweater I never wear? A gift from a friend. That broken lamp? My first big purchase. It's okay to feel attached, but remember, you're not throwing away memories. You're making room for the present and future. 3. Start small, not big. I made the mistake of trying to declutter my entire house in one weekend. Spoiler, it didn't end well. Start with one drawer, one shelf, or one corner of a room. Once you see progress, it'll motivate you to keep going. 4. Ask the right questions. When deciding what to keep, don't just ask, do I use this? Instead, ask, does this add value to my life? Or, would I buy this again today? These questions changed the game for me. 5. Decluttering is not one and done. Here's the kicker, decluttering isn't a one-time event. It's a habit. Life keeps moving, and stuff keeps coming in. Schedule regular check-ins to keep clutter in check. 6. You don't need fancy organizers. Before you go on a shopping spree for bins and labels, remember this, decluttering isn't about organizing your stuff. It's about having less stuff to organize. Use what you already have to store essentials, and only buy organizers if absolutely necessary. 7. The unexpected benefits. I thought decluttering was just about having a cleaner home, but it's so much more. It reduced my stress, made cleaning faster, and even improved my focus. Plus, donating items gave me a sense of purpose, knowing they'd help someone else. Decluttering your home is one of the best gifts you can give yourself, but it's a journey. Remember these lessons. Take it one step at a time, and don't be too hard on yourself. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and share your own decluttering experiences in the comments. And if you're ready to start your journey, check out my playlist on organizing and simplifying your life. Let's make your home a place you truly love.